Yeah, so you know how your voice changes when you swallow helium? It's applying an effect like that. It's like chipmunks.
We were at a science fair once, and we tried to suck helium, but I sucked too much, and I spent the rest of the day in the bathroom.
Ooh.
Yeah, because it was. And then I never sucked helium ever since because I'm afraid that was going to happen.
That's what we call a learning experience.